In primetime news this evening, car sales scam, victims recall ordeal trying to purchase cars. COVID-19 vaccine ease used to relax requirement for visitors to the country. And Peter Bunting to leave Manchester Central. Mandeville Mayor signals his interest to replace him.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, a bit of news out of the United States. The second largest bank failure in the U.S. history happened. But, of course, there was some swooping in, so I'll give the details about that as well as what's going to happen with the MBJ airport before the end of the year. So stay tuned for the business day a little later on.
All right, and Jordan Fort is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, there are more questions than answers this evening, as it turns out that a mystery drug which has been turning up in adverse analytical findings at Caymanas Park is actually not prescribed for horses, but in fact for humans. I'll give you the details in Primetime Sports Monday.
Interesting. And for a snippet of the weather report and forecast, here's Romaine Robinson.
Thanks so much, Andrea. We have a mixed bag this week in terms of rainfall across the island. Days are cloudy, days are rainy. We'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary E-Prime and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: how concerned are you with the workload facing guidance counselors in schools, especially after the pandemic?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. The Primetime News returns right after this break.